Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of this session, I'm going to show you how exactly we can automate an end-to-end scenario precisely on a Swag Labs. So let me show you that scenario first of all. For this, login into the Swag Labs. We already have a code that performs a login into that particular application. And then this is the home screen where I'm clicking on a add to cart. And then here click on a cart logo that will be navigating to your cart page wherein which you are just clicking on this checkout button. And here this is an your information page. I'm just filling up my information and click on a continue. And here is a overview page where you are clicking on a finish button. And here this is a complete page where you are clicking on a back to home, which will be navigating to the home screen where I am performing a logout operation from the home screen. So these are the actions that I want to automate within a single test file, guys. So I have created a spec file with the name as a source lab demo E2E scenario, wherein which I already have a code which is performing a login that we have already created earlier. And at the end, I do have a close option. What I'm doing right now is let me change the test name. Okay, source demo E2E test. Okay, source demo E2E test. That's what I have created here. Okay. Perfectly all right. And then the next point that we need to consider here is, so I have just listed down the steps here. Log into the application, adding a product to the cart, go to cart, check out, enter the details, finish, validate the message, and click on a logout. So, guys, for this particular flow, I'll be using the Copilot auto suggestions, whatever it is prompting, so that it saves my time. So, here, slash slash, say, as and when I type a slash slash, my Copilot is prompting me add items to the cart. Of course, that's what my step is. Click on a next. As and when I clicked on that particular one, my Copilot is prompting me the code. I don't want to go with it. So come back here. Let us try to log in into the application manually so that we can check the add to cart. So right click on it, inspect. The element is having an ID, which is add to cart, sauce lab backpack. This is specifically related to the backpack. To cross check, whenever I place it the ID here, I'm getting only one element. So come back here. And if you look at the locator mechanism that we have, if any element is having an ID, you just need to use a hash ID. So come back here, await page dot locator and in a single quote hash followed by that ID. See, automatically, even I didn't place it as and when I type a hash, my Copilot is prompting me the suggestions. I'm just pressing the tab to accept it. Okay, I'm just pressing the tab to accept it. And then the next thing that we need to do is after adding a product to the cart, you need to click on a cart logo. So here click on a cart logo. Okay, as and when I did that, see my Copilot is prompting me the line of a code. So come back here. Let us cross check this particular cart logo. So right click, inspect, and it is having some ID. So this is the one. Copy this container and come back here. Let me replace it with a hash and let me update it this ID as well. And now upon performing this click operation manually, you will be navigating to the your cart page where in the your cart page you are clicking on a checkout button. Let me add a comment here. Click on a checkout button. See, I'm not even typing that, my Copilot is prompting me that. So just press a tab and automatically my Copilot is also giving me a line. So click on a tab. So automatically I got my this locator as well. So let me cross check whether the checkout is a valid locator or not. Whenever I did an inspect, basically it does has an ID checkout. So copy it and update. So it's both one and the same. After clicking on a checkout, guys, if you observe right now, here is the page where we need to fill the form. So here, let me try to add a comment. Fill the form or enter details is the Copilot that it is prompting me, where it is entering the first name, last name, and a zip code. I'm just pressing a tab operation. And then even my continue button is also my Copilot is prompting me. Okay, my Copilot is prompting me the continue button, and even my finish button after the tabbing on continue, right? My Copilot is prompting me the code for the continue button below. So I just press the tab, automatically the code got generated. And again, if you see, basically validate the message, click on a back to home. This, prompt is being populated. I just press on a tab, automatically my Copilot added that confirmation message and the code is being generated. I just press the tab arrow, automatically this got a generated. Now here we need to click on a back to home. So that wasn't clicked basically. Await page dot locator and automatically back to home got suggested by my copilot, and I pressed the tab so that the code got generated. Now after that, for my logout in this area, my copilot is prompting me the suggestion, press the tab, automatically the logout code got generated. So guys, if you observe the beauty with respect to this copilot, I just added one or two locators, but for the rest of the screen, my copilot itself prompted me all the suggestions, right? The entire script got generated, and it does has a close also. Let me try to execute this test and check whether it is performing these operations or not. See, it just logged in. Each and every action got performed, and it does logged out from the application. Successfully my script executed. So this is the way how exactly we can create a program. This is an end-to-end flow. As part of the next session, we will see how exactly we are gonna customize this program in order to work on the page object model. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Bye bye.